So here we are at the first video in the series. As an introductory session, we will be covering basic methods, tools, and ways that you can gain access to system information, such as, for example, your hardware components, your drivers, and so on and so forth. So these are the programs that we are going to be using for basic system information and monitoring. The first one being CPU-Z. Now these programs are widely known among the community. So you can use CPU-Z to mainly acquire information about your processor, but also your mainboard, memory, and so on and so forth. Check the clocks, the capacity, the architecture. The second one is GPU-Z, which of course is for your graphics card. Okay, as you can see, I have an RTX 3070. You can see the bus interface here. If you are wondering about your bandwidth, you can see the frequency. Now just keep in mind that the software, although it does have certain metrics, certain indicators, and it displays various other statistics, such as, for example, you have this real-time monitoring. I highly recommend using other tools such as, for example, MSI Afterburner for more accurate details and for much more elaborate, I guess, graphical information in regards to your system temperature or usage and so on and so forth. This is a great tool all around for not just overclocking your graphics card, but also monitoring your system. As you might have noticed in my typical benchmark videos, I use this primarily with Rivet Tuner so that I have the overlay. So here, for example, we can check the CPU temperature, we can check the usage, the clock speeds, and another tool we can look at is Speccy from Piriform. I will, of course, have a link for all of the software that we've covered in this video down in the description, so you can download. I recommend using these depending on how nerdy you are, or depending on your requirements. You might want to get one or the other. Now, what I like about Speccy is that it includes information about all of your components. It's very friendly in terms of its user interface, and so I usually prefer this one. But a more professional way to monitor your system is, for example, using Ada64. Now I'm going to show you a few tips and windows on how you can actually get this information. Press Windows R and it will bring up this window, and you can type in MSInfo32, and here you can have a general overview of your system. Alternatively, you can also go to the search bar and type in MSInfo, and the first option that's going to appear on your screen is this one. Now another way that you can do this is by going to the start menu again and writing DXDiag, and this window should come up where you can see, once again, general system properties and details about your graphics card. Now, if you don't want to complicate yourself with all of these tools and you want to simply fetch your system information, you can just go here to File Explorer, this PC, meaning your computer, right click, go to Properties, and it will display you the generic system information that you have. Okay guys, so very well done. I hope this was informative, and I'm glad that you joined me today, and of course I will be looking forward to the next video.